to Turbulent Academy. So in this video we are going to see in detail about something known as MSQ, which has got introduced in this GATE 2021 organized by IIT Bombay. So many people have a doubt and many people are skeptical about how is this going to be and all those stuff. This is going to be really easy, and this is one of the things which have got introduced in ESCs, which is Engineering Services Examinations. So we'll see what is that. Okay, so we'll see the description they are given in the information brochure. Then we can go ahead with one example so that you could be able to understand. So watch this video till the end. Okay, so we'll go ahead with this now. So multiple select questions, actually, as they have said it, actually they might carry 1 or 2 marks in each papers. Okay, they might carry 1 mark or also 2 marks. It will be objective, which will have to choose the options, but you might have 4 answers actually. So you will have 4 options on the whole. Sometimes you might have 5, but they have given it very clearly that we'll have a choice of 4 answers. Okay, we'll have a choice of 4 answers, out of which 1 might be correct, or 2 answers might be right, 2 options might be right, or 3 options might be right, or even all the 4 might be right. Okay, so for this they have said that if there is any wrong answers, there will be no negative marking, and if there are 2 answers right and if you choose only 1, you will not get a partial marks. Okay, partial credit will not be rewarded to you. Now we'll see with one examples. Okay, now you all know what is let's say if this is a question which is given to you, what is half in numbers? So we say half normally using words, right? So by using words, when you say half, what does it represent it numerically? Okay, if this is the question being asked, we have options given: A is equal to 0.5 and B is equal to 1 by 2, C 1 by 4, D 1 by 8, E none of these. So E is not in this GATE paper, but just for your sake of references. Now they have said that what is half? We know that answers are 0.5 and 1 by 2. You should choose both A and B are correct. Okay, and they have said that only if all are correct. Okay, whatever you have said, if A, B and C is right, you will have to choose all the 3. Only then you will be marked only you will be then rewarded the mark. Otherwise you will not be rewarded any marks. Only if you choose A for this particular question, which is 0.5, which is also right, but you haven't choose the whole correct answers, right? So you will not be given any partial marks, and one important thing is no negative marks whatsoever. So this is one important thing which is regarding to MSQ, which is multiple select questions, and as I've said you earlier, this is very common in engineering services examinations, and they have introduced it in GATE, and this is going to be real deal for all the guys who can understand the concepts. This is going to be really interesting, really fantastic, and it is going to be like I said before, it's a real deal for all the people. And question paper, many people will not be able to come up with the correct answer, many, because of the concepts. You'll have to have a thorough understanding of the concepts to answer these type of questions in a right way. So this has to deal with multiple select questions, and we are all aware of what MCQs, and we are all aware of what numerical answer type means for. So now this is multiple select questions, and if you have any doubt in the particular topic which is MSQs, you can comment it out in the comment section so that I will be able to reply to you ASAP. So this is from the Turbulent Academy. Thank you, students.